Okay guys, so I'm here playing back with my Minecraft. There was a zombie riding a horse, and there's a slime. What the heck? Zombie brain. Heck yeah, slime. What else? Throwing knife. Red for roses and red for orange. What do I have in this chest? Oh yeah, I forgot I cheated. Who cares? What are these? Can I make them into pink dye? Blue dye. Better. Way better. Okay, so I got attacked by a poisonous lizard snake. I almost died, but I didn't. Awesome, I have a little pond. No way. That's just awkward. Okay. Cut down that tree, make some cobblestone, and make some woolly bear. I don't know. So it said I can update. But who wants to do that? Because I don't know. Really. Yeah. Gotta make this. Okay, so all we have to do is this crafting table. Time to mine. Dun. Oh. Nope. I have to cut down with this. Whoa, hold your horses. Okay. Now we can make cobblestone pick. Oh, this is too epic. We found an old abandoned cave. What's better? Old mine shaft. You can't get up on your poor sweetie. Oh, poor guy. Ah! Oh, jeez. No, let me out. Let me out, don't let him out. Him. Leave that there. Looks good. Okay, I want to see how you can melt the zombie brain. Okay, I'm gonna put this, put the zombie brain in, put it in there. Doesn't do anything. Okay. This will. Put everything non-useful but useful in there. What should we do? Browse through over here. Next. Look at all the mobs we can spawn. Diamonds. Ooh. Training dummy. Or buffer project table. That sounds too epic for me. Ooh. There's nothing. Whoa. Whoa. Cockroach. Burning wing. Ow. Let's see what that does. Makes me on fire. Phew. I don't like that. Gosh. Like, don't freeze up. Oh gosh, I'm in the middle of an ocean. Where am I? I don't know where I am anymore. Oh god dang. Oh, there's my house. All hope is blue tree. Yep. That was a random. First for that sheep. Oh, two of them. That brown sheep is camouflaged. 3? Oh, you don't want to mess with me. But sadly, you're gonna have to. Too bad I don't have no stone ever. Well, that worked pretty good. You can't eat in peace because you're dead. And so are you. So. Dun 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 dun. Oh. Bonk, bonk, bonk. Okay, so now we can make a bed. Yay! A different colored bed. Yeah. Multicolored bed. Oh, perfect. Did it melt everything for me? Yes, it did. Yay. Put those things in there. Put my copper. Copper is useless. Diamond stuff. So much awesome stuff that I wanted to take out of there. Temptation. Too big, I'm gonna take everything out. I'm gonna take everything out. Can I at least take the dark? Oh, bless me. Bless me. Bless me. Iron bed. Oops. I didn't mean to. I didn't mean to. That doesn't even go on you. Okay, who cares? I just want to take everything out. Just everything. Eyes. What eyes? Tree tap. Okay, I have to see how to make that. Guess it involves that and that. I'm gonna get some sap. Nope. Dang it. That way? No. I know what to do. That. Nope. Okay. Throw everything on the ground. Thank you. Put all that. Oh, nice birch tree. Get off my lawn. Get off my lawn. Is that a... Oh, that's a goat? Looks too much like a dog. Whoa, zoom? Zoom into me. Murder! I'm the only animal. Oh god, did they try to kill you? Yeah! Ow, that hurts. It hurts. That hurt. Oh, dude! Oh, if you mess with the pickaxe, you get the horns. Oh, throw them up. I can't kill you. All I do is chirp. Okay, goodbye.